Futsal is, basically it's futsala, it's indoor football. So ginagawa siya sa flat surface tsaka sa ground na matigas. Big difference pero magandang developmental ang futsal for younger players. Ako nga pala si Coach Mark Dennis Balbin, head coach ng Tondo Football Club, and this is our initiative. Yung initiative namin as Tondo FC started 2011. We started as a team muna. Sumali kami sa competition. And then 2012, sabi namin, it's time na kailangan mag-develop na tayo ng mga next generation of football players. So nagturo na kami ng 2012. Pagdating dito sa basketball court na to, magandang development to para at least sa kanila tumataas yung confidence nila, tumataas yung bilis ng decision making nila, tumataas yung skill level nila sa pagkontrol ng bola. And not only that, kasi nasanay na kami dito sa barangay court, yung initiative namin is nag-grow din as community. Around this barangay, alam na nila na may football program. The main goal is to educate the players and give them more opportunity in life. Hindi lang natatapos yung paglalaro dito sa court na to. Kailangan they have their own dream na makapag-aral sa university. Kasi alam nyo na, dito sa mundo ng Tondo, mahirap makapag-aral sa mga prestigious university without the help of scholarship. We're giving them this opportunity para ma-recruit sila, maging university scholars sila. Some of the players who graduated from our program are now in Woodrose, De La Salle University, Raya Inspire, De La Salle, Sobel, Enderan Colleges, Treston Colleges. Naging national team players, nakasali na sa Street Child World Cup. Last 2022, nakasali ng Street Child World Cup yung ilang manlalaro ng Tondo FC. We can say na there are talents here in Tondo, Manila. We can say na these players grew up playing with us. We can say na hindi dahil sa Tondo FC, mararating nila yung mga international levels. And they're bringing the name of Tondo kapag ka naglalaro sila sa ibang competition. Well, hopefully in the next year to come, we can still improve our program. We can hire people to help us out. Makapag-conduct kami ng mas maraming futsal program sa mga barangay court. And we can conduct our own league. We can participate din sa mga semi-professional league sa futsal. And we can produce more futsal players. And hopefully you guys can support us. Support our social media and our movement. We have YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So follow us, Tondo Football Club.